Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best toothbrushes for cats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Teeth Cat Toothbrush. The manufacturer also rounds and polishes the end of each soft bristle to ensure a comfortable and successful brushing experience. The tapered handle and small size of this brush allow you to reach back teeth, without being too large or clunky. The brush is less than 5 inches long and the head is just 0.75 inches by 0.3 inches. Unlike pet toothbrushes designed for both dogs and cats, the bristles are shorter, providing a firm yet soft experience for your cat. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bamboo Dog and Cat Toothbrush. The handle is made of organic bamboo, one of the world's fastest growing land plants, and coated with a non-toxic wax finish. That means the handle is also biodegradable and can be used as a chew toy near the end of its life. The handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. When it's no longer effective as a toothbrush, just pull off the DuPont Tinex nylon bristles, a commonly used brand in human toothbrushes. Although marked recyclable, only a small percentage of recyclers are able to process these fibers. But Bamboo makes up for the small amount of plastic in its toothbrushes, taking sustainability to the next level by packaging in post-consumer waste recycled and recyclable materials. At number 3, we have the Arm & Hammer Cat Dental Kit. The head of the sturdy plastic toothbrush is small and gentle enough to effectively brush even the hardest to reach back teeth and is even suitable to use on kittens. You can try both the toothbrush and finger brush to see which is most effective and which your kitty prefers most. Enzymatic toothpastes contain specific naturally occurring enzymes, a type of protein, that facilitate a natural chemical reaction. The 2.5-ounce tube of toothpaste contains a fungal extract that acts as an enzymatic cleaner producing hydrogen peroxide that, when paired with its silica-based abrasive, helps reduce plaque and tartar accumulation. At number 2, we have the Jasper Pet Finger Toothbrush. Although studies have shown that finger brushing is not quite as effective as a handled toothbrush, some pet parents prefer a finger brush because it feels softer, with no hard edges inside your pet's mouth. Some start with a finger brush until their cats become used to a regular brushing routine and then transition to a handled toothbrush. But beware, if your cat is prone to biting, on purpose or by accident, a finger brush will offer no protection from the sharpness of their teeth. We like the Jasper Finger Toothbrush because, unlike many finger brushes, this one has bristles all over its surface and it's BPA and phthalate-free, too. The manufacturer reports that it has 12 times more bristles than other standard finger brushes. That means you don't have to worry about the perfect positioning of the brush head while you brush. And finally at number 1, we have the RYERCAT Dual-Sided Cat Toothbrush. The RYERCAT Dual-Sided Cat Toothbrush offers 2 sides to address different teeth cleaning issues for your cat. One end has a charcoal-infused soft nylon brush and the other end features a soft pick made of bamboo to remove food debris stuck on or in between teeth. The toothbrush is designed exclusively for cats to fit inside their small mouths with minimal discomfort, and the handle is curved to give you more control. Each brush is made of cornstarch plastic, which is softer than other plastics, so it's less likely to chip a tooth if your cat bites down. The dual-sided cat toothbrush from RYERCAT comes in 6 colors: flamingo pink, candy cane, lavender purple, ocean blue, shamrock, and space blue. If you have multiple cats, choose a different color for each one so they have their own separate toothbrush. This brush runs more expensive and doesn't last as long as others on our list, but it has a lot of benefits that make it worth the price. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon